All right, I've been messing around with this replacement floor pan for my car, and so far it's going pretty good. One thing I noticed though, where the pan fits up against the driver's side inner rocker panel. Let me start from the back of the car. So there's the seat riser there for the back seat. If you kind of look and see, if you look right in this area here, the gap's pretty tight. But then when we get closer to right about the middle, which in this area right here, this is where the brace for the driver's side, the front seat mount brace goes. You can see I got a gap here. I got like about a 3/8 of an inch gap. And I think what happened when they put the front seat brace in, you know, the seat brace runs from the here all the way across and welds right there. I think they may have kind of bashed the inner rocker panel to get that brace to fit. So I might have to maybe get like a slide hammer or something like that and try and pull that brace, you know, back that way towards the car to tighten up that gap. Otherwise, my gaps look pretty good. Going up, you can see it's might be kind of hard to see, but sorry, my camera work's not the best. I'm trying to do two things at once. But overall, the fit's okay. It's just in that area. So, like I said, I think maybe from the factory, they may have kind of beat on it to get that, that brace to fit in there. So I'm gonna have to do something about that. No complaints about the pan. I got it from MPD. Like I said, the initial fit is pretty good. On some of the later model pans, I think there was a rib in the stock floor pan right in here because this had a rib in it, and I had to hammer and dolly that rib out of there to allow the pan to sit flush and tight up against the side of the trans tunnel. And if we move towards the back here, same thing here. You can see where it's stamped, and it had a couple of ribs that went all the way up, and I had to hammer and dolly those flat to get it to sit flush against the trans tunnel there. I didn't completely hammer it all the way out. I left kind of the upsweep on the curve. So that way, if somebody wants to look under the car, they'll still see this, but hopefully they won't notice that unless they get way underneath the car and is up looking inside the trans tunnel, which I doubt will ever happen. So, but overall, I'm happy with the initial fit, and so far, so good.